Hello, thank you for stopping by and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is all about the third Thursday thrift flip. I'm going to tell you about that a little later, but now follow me to the Goodwill to see what goodies we can find to flip. And I have found this beautiful wreath. I'm going to go home and see how I can decorate this beautiful wreath. I paid $4.99. What a steal. I also purchased this little window from Dollar Tree. It has that little welcome sign. So I just went on, I used my heat gun and I went and I removed it. So now with hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here on this beautiful wreath. I'm not gonna do much to it because I love it just the way it is. I also have these ribbons from, one of them is from Dollar Tree and the other one is from Michael's. I purchased it at a grab bag several years ago. I created a bow off camera and now with the jute cord, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it right up here. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue right here just to make sure that the bow is nice and secure. I have these leather leaves. I purchased this last year. I have not seen them this year. I wish they would come back with them because I will buy up some more. I truly do love them. So I'm gonna go ahead a little bit of hot glue and I'm gonna put one on either side, and this one is shaped as a maple leaf, and then the English leaf, I'll put them above the bowl. This is turning out so beautiful. I love the combinations of colors. Off camera, I took a wood flower or rose and I added to the middle of the bowl. I hope you have enjoyed this simple yet so beautiful project. Today is all about thrift flipping. This open invite takes place every third Thursday of each month, and it is being hosted by Tammy over at the Rusted Willow, also Elizabeth from Rustic Cheeks Designs, and the co-host this month is Loli from LoliDs Creations. Their channels will be linked down in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit these talented ladies, give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Most important, watch their videos all the way until the end so you can let them know in the comment section which is your favorite thrift flip from their videos. And now let's go ahead and continue with our second project. Let's continue to shop at the Goodwill. When I was navigating all of these shelves all the way in the back, I saw this lady looking at these two lanterns and she left them and I was eyeballing them. So guess what? Yep, I took them home, but look at how filthy they are. Oh Lord, I put them under the water. So what I did is I removed all the glass. I did it already on this one, and yes, I paid $6.99 for each. So once they are nice and clean, I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna spray paint them with Rust-Oleum white paint. I'm gonna leave them for a couple of hours so they can dry, but in the meantime I have these clay saucer. I'm gonna be giving it one coat with white chalk paint. When I purchased these lanterns, this hole right here, whatever was there, which I'm assuming was to hold the candle, was missing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place a little bit of hot glue over here on all 3 corners, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this clay sauce right up here, covering this opening. And that is going to be holding whatever I decide to place inside the lantern. And in this case, I'm gonna be placing this candle inside there along with a candle holder. I'm gonna be placing these gem stickers here to add some glamour to these plain looking candles, and I'll be doing that to 2 candles. I'm gonna combine this beautiful candle holder from Ross with this one that I thrifted. And I thrifted, I don't know, like 6 of them. They were like 20 cents each. And I've had these for like 5 years. This one here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the labels. And once the labels are all removed, then with plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue both of them together. And now let's go ahead and embellish all of this. I'm gonna be placing some hot glue right here just to cover that opening right there because, you know, we bought it like that. So look at this. Huh, so beautiful. And now these beautiful candle holders and the candle. And of course we bought 2 lanterns, so I'm gonna be doing the same thing to both of them. And now for the final review. I also purchased this water pitcher at the thrift store. I'll be spray painting it with Rust-Oleum white paint. I'll give it 2 coats, and once it's dry, I have this gold marker, and I'm just gonna go ahead and trace around this raised area. Also want to remind you of the playlist down in my description box. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like to all of our channels. And this is coming out absolutely gorgeous. I am really liking this, and I paid $25 for this. Years ago, this was in a big box with a lot of other items, and I was just lucky to be able to obtain this piece. I'm going to be adding some fall leaves, and this is it, my dear friends. Give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this project. Look at this beautiful plaque. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 coat with white chalk paint, and I'm gonna be painting the entire piece. Everything is dry now. I'm using my fingers to carefully apply metallic silver paint, focusing on the raised areas to ensure only these parts are colored. I want to thank you for your incredible support, both from my return subscriber and those considering subscribing. Your support means the world to me. And now let's go ahead and get ready for the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it.